In today's fast-paced business world, managing IT assets can feel overwhelming. Are you struggling with an outdated system, unexpected downtime, and rising costs? You're not alone. Organizations struggle to maintain reliable IT infrastructure amidst rapid tech advancements, a distributed workforce, rising security threats, skill shortages, and escalating costs. Market research shows that poor IT asset management can lead to significant losses and inefficiencies. But what if there was a solution that could transform your IT experience? At Fujifilm Business Innovation, we specialize in streamlining your IT operations, so you can focus on what you do best, growing your business. IT Expert Services delivers a comprehensive solution, seamlessly integrating your existing IT team to address all your IT needs. Whether managing branch offices or a remote workforce, managed IT services ensure quicker resolution of IT issues and significantly boost employee productivity. With a subscription-based service model, you can effectively manage your IT cost with better predictability and seamlessly scale your services as your business expands. Leverage customizable and scalable IT expert services, begin small, scale seamlessly, and attain greater success. Discover how Fujifilm's IT expert services can transform your business.